Welcome to Tech Tether. Configure WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi Range Extender to work in IP mode. Most WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi Range Extender supports working in IP mode and repeater mode. In contrast to repeater mode, IP mode requires the WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender to connect to the main front-end router through an Ethernet cable, ensuring network speed. Hardware connections. 1. Connect the PO and port of the unit to the PO port of the converter with the Ethernet cable. 2. Connect the LAN, data and port to the LAN port of your router, modem. 3. Plug the power adapter to a socket. 4. Power on the unit. Find the WAVLINK Wi-Fi and connect it on your smartphone WLAN. Enter the URL 192.168.10.1 or http://waplogin.link in a web browser address bar and search. Enter the default password admin on the showing login screen. After logging in, please click the AP, then complete the settings such as SSID and Wi-Fi password. Click the Apply. Return back to the WLAN and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Then the internet will work. Thanks for watching.